Hop into the 2022 Landrover Defender. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Be eager for the next adventure in this iconic Land Rover Defender, the premium go-anywhere vehicle that's purposeful, durable, immensely capable, and indulges you with luxurious, modern, utilitarian chic comforts and conveniences. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps. Explore your world boldly and beautifully in this distinctive Land Rover Defender. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.